Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this painting on a notebook cover. You can do this painting on any surface like canvas, furniture, plastic or any hard surface of your choice. It may seem overwhelming to look at, but it is very easy as I am going to demonstrate in this video. If you want to know more about the dot mandala art, click on the link on the screen. I'll leave the link in the description box as well. For this project I am using a notebook, dotting tool of 3 different sizes. One of them is glue stick and acrylic paints. The colors I am using are pink, white, cream, mint and green. You can use any colors that you like. I am going to start my painting from the center because I find it easy. Otherwise there is no hard and fast rule. You can start from anywhere on the surface. I'm starting with the white color using the big dotting tool, which is glue stick. With the small dotting tool, I am going to paint 8 dots around the center dot. To make the dots evenly spaced, I am painting a dot on the top and then on the opposite side on the bottom, and repeat this process in all the directions. Now I am going to paint second circle around the first one, using the same tool and paint for this circle. I am using the dots from the first circle as my reference point. I am putting a dot wherever I find a space between 2 dots on the first circle. Now I am painting the third circle using medium sized tool and mint color with the same process using the second circle as my reference. I am using the same tool and paint for the next circle. Now I am taking the big dotting tool, which is glue stick, and applying dots with the same process. Next I am applying a cream color and using medium sized tool and applying dots between the big dots on the same circle. For this circle I am using the big dotting tool and small one and using the same pattern. For this circle I am going to use only the big dotting tool. For this circle I am using the previous circle as a reference point and putting dots in between the dots. Repeat this process until the end. You can stop here at this point, but if you want to enhance it further, you can fill the spaces with the small dots. And our dot painting is ready. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to know more about dotting mandala art, click on the link on the screen. I'll leave the link in the description box as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.